Hi, this is Esther from Stampin' Creations with you for another Bible journaling. Today I've picked out a Bible verse from Leviticus which I've been reading through recently, and I came across this verse which I thought was appropriate for this time of year and for harvest. So normally I would write out my verse on a scrap piece of paper and then trace through. In this incident I've actually written out the verse and then I'm just going to copy it straight into the Bible. So I'm not taking too much time to write it out because it's just going to be my handwriting. So I feel a bit brave actually putting it straight in the Bible, but as I said, I just thought it'd be easier because it's a longer verse to do it in my handwriting. And I've gone and prepared the page already with gesso, and I'm just using a marker, archival marker, to write the verse in. So the verse is, "When you reap the harvest, do not reap to the very edges of your field, leave them for the poor." I decided I wanted to use a pale colour for the background, so using Sahara sand ink and using the birch background stamp. And I'm not putting this on a block, I thought I'd find it easier to do it folded freehand. So I start by going on the top and then at the bottom of the page. And then after I did that, I decided it looked a bit blank in the middle, so I just masked off the area on the verses and then just stamped across the verse. I'm using the beautiful friendship stamp set and taking a couple of stamps to create some wheat in the field and using crushed curry. By layering up these leaf stamps, it kind of created that wheat shape to add to my page. And then the kind of bloom was the head of the wheat. I decided to continue my pattern up the page just for a bit of continuity. After I'd done that, I felt like I lost the definition of the stamps, so I'm just going in with the matching watercolour pencil to try and highlight those areas. I like to tend to go back and highlight the word, so I'm just highlighting the word harvest with a black pen. I then thought with the harvest, it's not just about sunshine but also rain, so I wanted to create kind of cloud shapes but using the same stamp set. So I used the hydrangea flower that's in the set and going in with seaside spray, I think I used. Yes, I think it was seaside spray, I had to check. To create some fluffy clouds in the top. And I thought, you know, clouds do rain, so again, just looking to see what I've got in the stamp set to create some raindrops, just subtly to come down the page. I added some wheat detail at the top because the space looked a bit blank at the top, so I just doodled some wheat. Again, going back in to highlight the word harvest with the watercolour pencil. Now, in a class recently I used the blender pens with the watercolour pencils, and if you've seen some of my past videos, sometimes get a bit carried away with the water and it makes the page too wet and soggy and I end up making mistakes, but with the blender pen you have a lot more control. I decided the top of the wheat was fading away, so I'm just going in with the Sahara sand ink again just to highlight the heads of the wheat. So these are the colours that I've used today. And these are the stamp sets, the birch and the beautiful friendship stamp set. And here's the journal page. Now this is the bit I always forget, and that's to actually highlight the verse from the Bible. So again, I've already prepared that with gesso, so I'm just going over it with my pencil and my blender pen. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for other videos, and take care. God bless. Have a good day.